Hello guys, so SuperBebe here, and the video is about a how to change your folder for saving your video captures, pictures that you have screenshot on your Rogue Ally using the Armoury crate. Okay, so someone has asked me to do some video, and this is the how to do it. Okay, so right now, if you can see, I'm on my Rogue Ally. So if I go to Windows C, I have a screenshot here, a screenshot as my um, shortcut, right? So if I open the Armor Crate, okay, you will see that you go to the settings, you go to the general, you go to your storage, and you will see your local storage and media save location. Way back before, you can go to your local storage by clicking this, but after the update, it will not let you. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to show you all my storage, which is particularly I have a MSD connected to a hub or to a adapter, and then the drive D, which is my external hard drive. So micro SD card, and then the storage card. Okay, so from right now, if I'm going to my, let's say I'm going to screenshot this, so I'm going to see, and I take a screenshot. Okay, this one will automatically goes to, if we go to your Armoury crate, we go manage screenshot and screen recordings, and you will see that uh wait it will, if we click on the manage and we open file location, it will go to this captures, or to your regular captures uh, folder from your C, right? So since you wanna record, maybe you wanna record like 4K or your game, and then you don't have enough storage on your C, then you wanna use something like your external hard drive for a D, then you could also change that. Okay, but it is very complicated how to change it. Okay, so this will be my guide to how I will teach you on how to change that. By the way, before I start the tutorial, I am not paid for any of the ASUS. I'm not a part of ASUS or anything like that. I'm just helping uh, uh, a, a member from the Facebook community, so that they can know how to change the current storage. Okay, so let's go back to your Armoury crate. And also, if you take a look on the Armoury crate, the one that I screenshot is not present here, right? So since it's only doing that after you exit out and then you reopen again the Armoury crate, that will update your screenshot and video capture. Okay, so a while ago I take a screenshot and that should be on my capture. Okay, 1 second. So if I go to my capture, oh, still not showing. Okay, no worries. But here, this is how you will do it. So once I click on this, I'm going to go back. I manage, right? I open file location. Well, you have an option to move to, right? Like you want to move this to some like other storage. But what we are trying to do, we're going to try to have the Armoury crate directly store it to your to other uh location that you want to have, right? So since I open the location, then I have this path name. So it's on the captures. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and up one more. I'm going to right click this, and then I'm going to go to properties. Under properties, you will see here locations, right? So right now, this is the default location, okay? So if you want to move the current location, you just have to click on move, okay? Then choose the storage where you want to, uh, store or make a captured folder, okay? So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on, maybe let's say a micro SD card, okay? So I'm going to open that. Then I'm going to create a new folder, which I'm going to name as captured, okay? Captured. Capital. Captured, okay? So once I created the folder, then I'm going to select that folder, okay? Once I selected the folder, you will see the path name E and then under capture. Once you have that in that path name, you're going to have click on apply. Once you hit apply, you will going to get an error like this. Just hit OK or yes. So right now the capture is already not in my current C, and it should be located on micro SD card under captures, this one, right? So let's take a look and check. So I'm going to go ahead and try to open Armoury Crate again, so that the the screenshot or the recording will go to what does your Armoury Crate will store the capture or the video, okay? So if I'm going to my general again, I'm going to my storage. So you will not see still where's the local storage or where are those storage are coming from. If I'm going to go to manage, so I'm seeing here some of my captured videos and picture, right, or screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that. I manage and then open file location, and that will go to my captured, okay? So let's try something else. Let me try to record something here. I'm going to go back to settings, then I'm going to try to remove this. Yep. Then let's change this to record screen, and this one is take screenshot, right? Take screenshot. Yep. All right. So once I minimize this should already take me to that thing. Okay, let's see. Let me open up this. Let's say I'm trying to go to command center. I'm going to screen record. So once I do the screen recording, it's processing, and you will see this recording here, right? So once I do that, I try to go to somewhere. Let's make it around 30 seconds for the video. Yep. I'm playing Doom for now. Already finished the Expedition 33. So it's already 30 seconds. I'm going to hit stop. That should go to my Armoury Crate. Let's take a screenshot here as well. Control C. And then I take screenshot. Boom. Another one. There we go. You see the screenshot on the down below. Boom. Boom. Yeah, everyone. So let's go back to our storage where we got the captures. So the captures will be here. See, I already have the file right here. So just to make sure that everything here is on the path or on the Armoury Crate, I'm going to open the Armoury Crate again. Then I'm going to go to the captures media folder, and you will see everything else here is on that on the memory card that I already choose to. So if I'm going to, like, for example, I'm going to manage it. open file location, or I'm going to move it to somewhere else, I can just hit on move to, or no, open file, and you will see it will open my previous my new captures folder. Right now, what if you want, let's say for example, you want to change it back again to the previous one, right, to the C. All you have to do is to go to that card or to the captures, right click on it, properties, and then locations. From location, you can go and restore default. Once you hit the default, it will go back to the previous folder, which is the default on C. Once I hit apply, it will just automatically move everything there to that new folder. Okay, so let's see if that will move. Okay, since I did move the folder again back to its original, once you go to your Armoury crate, this one will automatically close because there was a changes in your in the settings of the Armoury crate. So all you need to do is to I think it didn't. Okay. Yep. So once I change it, I open file location, that will automatically close, because the reason for that, it doesn't find the folder, which is the micro SD card that I changed to, right? So once it doesn't find that folder, an app will automatically close. That's a default one. Okay, so all you have to do, let me close this one again. All you have to do is open Armoury crate again. Once I open the Armoury crate, I go to my settings again, or maybe just direct to the library. Okay, so you can see that all of my files here that I already captured a while ago and screenshot was already here. So once I go to manage, I open file location, that one will open to the C. See? So everything that I have on that folder are already moved to the different folder, okay, or to the default folder that I want. Okay, that's how you are going to do it with your Armoury crate, so that you can just enjoy record and use the screenshot, and then have enough space for your storage. Like maybe you want to put it on your micro SD card for your storage, for your pictures, for your screenshot and your recordings, you can do so. Or maybe you have a network storage like mine. I have a network storage. If I show you my network storage, I can always use this network storage, and then I can, create a folder here. So once I try to capture or maybe record something, then it will go to my network storage. But the problem on the network storage, if you're not at home and your network storage is not connected, then automatically your Armoury crate will automatically close. Okay, so again guys, that's it. So I hope you learned something here. If you have any question, please do comment down below. We'll go ahead and go to our Facebook community. Ask something on the Facebook community. If I can answer that, I will answer that. And of course, please don't forget to like and share. If you have a friend that having problem or trouble on this screenshot and this recording, and then they want to change the storage of the Armoury crate, then this is how you do it. Okay, again, SuperBebe here, and thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Okay.